Good afternoon, guys. I'm going to make a video presentation about weights, meaning loading of weights, then at the same time discharge of a certain weight. So let's start, guys. This problem or example is 7.14. So I'll start, guys. Open this one. So this is simultaneous loading or discharging. So meaning the same loading at the same time and discharging at the same time. Okay, so when handling several weights involving small change of mean draft, similar method as when handling single weight can be employed. Only this time the new LCG representing all the weights is first calculated. This is then corrected for the distance from CF, then on calculation is done as previously described. So these are the weights, guys. So the LCG is measured from the center going back. If this is the weight is somewhere on the up part of the midship, and the forward of the midship will be positive. This is weight 2, weight 1, and weight 3 is the up part of the, so forward part will be negative, up part will be positive. Okay, so the example is 7.14, I think so. 7 point, check, guys. 7 point, uh, 7.11. So this is 7.14. Okay, so this is 7.14, and the vessel is MB Max Panama had an initial drop of 3.75 meters, and updraft is 7.09 meters. She loaded IFO MDO freshwater to the following tanks and compartments. So it's loading this FO and DO and freshwater. Okay, so this is FOC number 1, loading of 350 metric tons, and this is the LCG. Number 2, FOT port is 150, LCG is negative 9.67, FO2 number 2, starboard, loading 200 metric tons, and the LCG is this one. And number 4, FOT tank, which is found in the center, loading of 250 metric tons, and the LCG is 42.95. And she's also loading DO of number 1, DOT starboard is 60 metric tons, and the LCG is 94.76. And freshwater drinking water port side is 50 tons, and LCG is 101.20. Freshwater tank port side loading at 80 tons, LCG is 100.99. Freshwater on starboard is 80 metric tons and 100.99 LCG. And he will also discharge ballast water from after peak of 589 metric tons, and the LCG is 1.04.14. Take note that after peak is positive, the LCG is positive, while the number 1 FOT forward or center is negative LCG. Okay, so meaning if the tank is somewhere around here, the LCG is positive. But if the LCG is up from the center or from the midship, the LCG is positive. Okay, that's why your up to peak tank is positive. Okay, so we will apply this to our program. Okay, I already entered this to the program, which is Max Panama. Okay, this is to show you. This is the name of the vessel, MB Max Panamax, okay, or Panama. Then I use the program instead of using Form 6, which is this one, because this one is automatic. See, This is automatic. See? This is all automatic. So I use the manual. So I go forward and I use this add. You add cargo less, meaning you discharge or you ship cargo. So I use this one, and this is how he looks. Okay, it is also the same how to find trim when handling several weights. Okay, we will put now the initial drop. The initial drop forward is the initial drop forward is 3.75. Okay, then you put 3.75, 3.75, and forward drop is 7.09. Updraft, I mean 7.09. Updraft is 7.09. Okay, 7.09. So you put 7.09. Take note that the present main drop is 5.42, and it is trimmed by the stern. Take note, guys. I will change this trim. I will put this to, let's say, 5, and this one to 2 metric tons. Take note of the trim. Now it's trimmed now by the head. It's trimmed forward, which is now negative 3. Okay. So if you put back the actual drop, and it's a stern of 3.34, and the midship is 5.42. Okay, and the LCF is negative 9.03, MTC is 764.62, and TPC is 59.01. Let's assume that the density at birth is 1.025, because it doesn't say what is the density. And, 1.025, 1.025, and upon completion of operation is 1.025. Take note that the main drop is 5.42, so you put here actual made will be 5.42 port side, and the same on starboard side of 5.42, meaning no lease. Okay, we don't know the departure drop. Okay, so what you do is to put all the weights in your program. Okay, so I put here FOT number 1 center. FOT number 1 center, the weight is 350. Okay, the weight is 350, and LCG is 35.29. 35.29, right? That is the LCG. And number 2, FOT port side 150. FO2 port side 150, LCG is negative 9.67. LCG is negative 9.7. Then the next, FO2, now on starboard side, you load of 200. Okay, she loaded IFO, DO, freshwater to the following tanks and compartments. So we are now in starboard side of FO2 number 2, loading 200 metric tons. FO2 starboard, 200 metric tons, and the LCG is negative 9.65. Number 2 starboard is negative 9.65. And next will be FOT number 4 center, loading of 250 metric tons. 4 center, so FOT 4 center of 250 metric tons. The LCG will be 42.95. 42.95. Then the next will the DOT number 1 starboard is 60 tons. So DOT DOT starboard number 1, 60 tons, and the LCG is 94.76. 94.76, okay? And freshwater, drinking water on port side is 50 tons. Drinking water, port side, 50 tons. LCG is 101.2. 101.2, okay? And freshwater tank port side, 80 tons. Freshwater port side, 80 tons. And LCG is 100.99. Port side is 80 tons, 100.99. And freshwater tank starboard is 80 tons. LCG is 100.99. Okay. Freshwater starboard side is 80 and LCG is 100.99. All these figures are positive because you are loading. Okay. It says here. Where is that? Okay. That will be what's that? Sir, consider all signs. When loaded, they are positive. Okay. But in after peak, it says after peak, she also discharged ballast water from after peak. When you discharge, it should be, should be negative, okay? And forward of LCG of mid is negative because after peak is the up part should be positive. So LCG is positive and forward is negative, okay? And FOT number 4 is on the up part, that's why it's positive. Forward is FOT number 1 center, 2 port, and 2 starboard. That is all on the forward part, that's why it's negative, okay? So just follow the sign. So after peak is load discharge of 589, that will be negative, and LCG is 104.15. Nagbablog ako. Nagbablog. So discharge up is 589. So you discharge, that is negative, and the LCG is positive because you are on the up part. Okay? Bakit? Ako na, nagsimula na ako eh. And okay, after peak is negative because you are discharging ballast of 598. Then LCG is positive 104.15 because it's on the up part. That's why it's positive. Okay? This one. Then to sum up these figures from loading to discharge, the total loaded will be 622 metric tons. Okay, and the LCG will be final LCG will be negative 64.907, and this is the LCG moment. This cargo or this amount multiplied by LCG, there will be your LCG moment. And 150 multiplied by LCG of negative 9.67 will be negative 1450.5. And the total LCG moment will be negative 40372.2. To get the LCG, LCG moment divided with your total weight will be your LCG, final LCG. Okay. So your new LCG is 64.907. So we'll double check. Okay. Once your new LCG, which is D1, moment, LCG moment, divide by your weight, and this will be your new final LCG. This one, okay? This is how you get this one. Then scroll down. Since you know already the weight here, so you know already the weight. So you put the weight here 622. Okay. And the TPC of your initial TPC from your initial drop is 5901. Okay. So put here 59.01. Okay. So your weight divided with your TPC is 10.54. Divide this one with 100, that will be 0.105 or 0.105 meters. So your initial drop is 5.42 plus your sinkage of 0.105, and your final made will be 5.525. This will be your departure. With this figure, you put it here, your final made. Okay, that will be your final departure or departure drop. So put it 5.525. Press enter. Then you will have your cargo recommended cargo total for trimming is 620. But according to our program, you have already loaded 622. So since you follow this arrow, then you put here 622. Okay, 622. What happens if you load 622? Results after loading 622, your mid drop will be 5.525, which is almost the same here, and your sinkage is 0.105. Okay, that's how you get your sinkage. Or another way of to get the sinkage is your final mid drop of 5.525 minus your mid drop of 5.42 is 0.105. Okay, this is almost the same here. Then the other way of getting the sinkage, or this one, is weight divided by your TPC divided 100. So what is your weight is 6. Your weight is 622 divided by TPC. TPC of your final mid, which is 5.52 or 53, which is 5.06. So that is 5.06. So weight 622 divide TPC of 59.06 divide by 100, then your sinkage is 105, which is almost the same here. Okay, so it's one way. There are two ways now. This departure drop of 5.525 minus your mid drop of 5.42, that will be 0.105. And the other way of getting the sinkage is weight divided by TPC divided 100, that will be 0.105. Okay, your weight is 6.622. Your TPC is of your departure drop is 5906 divided by 100, then you will have your sinkage here. Okay, then how to get the weight? The weight should be, okay, weight is center of, how to get another weight, how to find weight is center, how would you call this? Uh, how do you call this one? The trim. This is what you call the change of trim. Okay, change of trim. This one. How to find weight is change of trim times MTC times 100 over distance. Okay. So what is your change of trim? This one, change of trim, MTC, and distance. So change of trim. What is your change of trim? Is 0454. 0454. Change of trim. 0454 MTC is 7. From your initial drop is 76462. 764.62 and distance is negative 55942. Distance is 55. That is the distance. This one. Corrected distance from LCF is 55942. 55942. This one. 55942. So transpose change of drop is change of trim is 0454. 454. Put this 4. Okay. And MTC is 76462. Okay. Times 100 over your distance of 55942. Okay. 454, 76462, and 5592. And the weight is 620. But according to the program here, the weight should be 622. Okay. And the weight here, 49 is not. Change of trim. Okay. We put this like this, equals change of trim. What is your change of trim? Click. Then times MTC. This is your MTC. Click this one. Times 100. Divide your distance of 55. Then enter the value. This should be, what is the distance? Should be 55. 55.942. Okay. Your weight should be 454. 454. 454. 454. Okay. And your MTC should be, how much your MTC? 76462. 764 should be 764.62. Plus that's what, okay. Again, that equals change of trim times MTC. MTC times 100 divide distance. Your distance is 55. Push enter. There. Should be 620 according to the formula, but the program says 622. Okay? And what will be the draft? What will be the draft after completion of this operation? You load these weights and discharge after peak of 598. Your final drop would be, core drop will be 4.06. Your updraft will be 6.95. Your trim will be 2.88 and main drop will be 5.06, which is the same here. So the forward drop will be 4.06. Updraft will be 6.95. Your main drop will be 5.506. Main drop is 5.506 and your trim is 2.886 or 2.886. Okay, that will be your main drop. Okay, so assuming that your total weight to load is 622. Okay, 622. Then you go to trim holes 2. Then you have there 622. This is your initial drop, main drop, and your trim, and MTC, LCF, and your TPC. Assuming this is a Panamax vessel that you're going to load 622 metric tons to 1 and 7. This is now different from this problem, okay? This is just an additional information. So with 622 tons, you're going to distribute this value to holes 1 and 7, for example, or we say 2 and 6. Put this to hold number 2 and hold number 6, okay? There. And they say, how much will be your trim? Trim says 288, so we put it 280, okay? So trim will be 2.80, 2.80. So you have to load a number 2 is, or make it even kill, for example, even kill. Too much. Let's make it 2 meters. Let's make it 1.5 meters. Okay. So 1.5 meters doesn't say, no, because it's too much. You have to load 1,638, but you have only 622. So what you do? 2.90, 2.90, 2.90. There you go. 2.90. Then you have to load a number 2 is 620. Okay, you put 620. 620. And in number 6, you load 2 metric tons. Okay? And what will be your final drop? Drop forward is 4.06. Up will be 6.95. Your trim is 2.89. Almost 2.89. And your Main drop is 5.51. Main drop is 5.51. Okay? This is assuming that you're going to load in hold number 2 and 6. Okay? This is for cargo, but the actual program is, the actual situation is when you load FOT center number 1, number 2 for starboard FOT, FOT number 4 center, and you load diesel oil at 1, DOT starboard. You add water in drinking water port side, and port and starboard fresh water, you load this value. But you discharge your ballast water after peak, and the total weight to be loaded on board is 622. Okay? And you will arrive to this drop of forward 4.6, up will be 6.95, trim will be to 2.88, and your main drop is 5.506. Okay? Which is this one. If you apply all these tanks and the LCG, you will arrive to this drop. Okay? And the deflection will be 1 centimeter, almost 2 centimeters. How do you get the mid? Click this one, and your mid will be this one. When you load 622, this will be your mid, and your main drop, put equals there, this will be your main drop. Okay. And your deflection is your sag of 1 centimeters or 2 centimeters. Well, that's okay, because your sag, it's better to have sag than hug. So that's it, guys. This is how you apply this program here. Let's say we apply this to this apply here this one to for number 7. Okay, for number 7, the same thing. You put the initial drop 375, and updraft is 7.09. The wind drop is 5.42, and trim is 3.34. The initial density is 1.025, and upon completion, the operation is 1.025. Okay? Then you apply the tanks. 1 center, 350, 2 port, 150, and LCG is negative 967, and number 1 center is 3529, 3529. FOT starboard 200, F to 200, LCG is negative 965, negative 965, FOT 4 center 250, FO2 center 250, LCG is 4295, 4295. DOT 1 center 60, DOT center 60, and LCG is 9476, 9476. Drinking water port side 50, drinking water port side 50, and 101.2 LCG, 101.2. Freshwater port side 80, freshwater port side 80, LCG is 100.99, and starboard is 80, LCG is 199, starboard 80, 199, and your after peak is negative 89, 589, negative 589, and LCG is 10415. 10415. Okay. So was confirmed. I'll double check on this one. Okay. Correct. And this one. Okay. Then your mid-ship drop should be 5.38. Mid-ship drop is, there's something wrong here. So what you do, we double check. This should be, okay. H34. H34, 125 divide. Baliktad pa. I think. Double check, guys. Check this one. 25. Okay. Then we go this one. Okay, that's 125 divided by the J37. Okay, J37. Okay. 528, 527, 31 4 30. Okay. What will be LCB 1015? LCB is 1015, MTC 76392. 76392. Okay. TPC 5899. 5899. LCF negative 905. LCB 1015. Okay. The drop should be, main drop should be 5.51, but what he got here is 5 trade. There's something wrong with this program. Okay. So what we do, let's put it this way. Show you the program. So what we do, put it this way. Okay. What we do, put it this way. Copy. Put it here. Paste. There you go. Then from here, you copy this one. Copy. Then go down. Paste. There you go. And corresponding drop. Oh, I'm sorry. This is 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. And this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this one is put additional cert. Okay. Then you put this one. Copy. Then you go paste. Okay. The same. Strap is 5.38. The same with this one. 5.38. And history will have the same. Now it's okay here. And here, what will be his drop? Now it's okay here now. Okay. The forward drop now is 406. Up drop is 695. And your main drop is 551. If you run it up, your trim is 288. Trim is 288. Okay. And your deflection is 0. So applying all these weights, then you will have this final displacement. This is your LCG moment. Divide with your displacement, that will be your final LCG of negative 280413. Okay. Then your displacement, this one, multiply by your constant 1.025, divide with your 1.025, that will be the same with this one. And the corresponding drop will 538. And your drop forward will be 406. 538, okay? This is 538. 387. 387. But there is corresponding, let me check. LCF is negative 905. Okay. This one. But here 90. Okay. What we do is just click this one, copy, and place it here. Paste. Okay. And what will be your drop here? Still the same. 98. What will be your LCF 095 here? LCF is 9.05. LCF is 9.05. Okay, so what we do, put your equals, then go back to LCF. LCF is negative 9.05, enter. Then your TPC, put equals. Then you go to TPC. Your TPC is 58.99, enter. TPC. Then your LCB, equals LCB negative 10.15 LCB and your MTC equals, then you go down MTC, enter. That's your MTC, and your drop forward is 411. You got here 406. 406.95.551.58. Okay? There's something wrong with this program. So here 30.01 340.93 340.93. Okay, 340.93. LCGF is 415.15 negative 905 58.99 10.9 and 763.92 763.92. It's okay. Why? Okay. So what you do? If you want to copy this one, okay, drop, copy, drop, paste. That will be this one. And what will be your actual drop there? Still the same, no change. But this one is okay. Okay. Your forward drop is 406. The same here. Okay. Uh, 406. 406 up is 695. 695 and your mid drop is 5.51. Round up to 5.51. Trim will be 2.88. Trim will be 2.88. Okay, and your deflection is up. This is form number 7, which is how to find drop and trim when handling weights involving large changes in mean drop. Okay, take note of the mean drop is 542, trim is 334. So 542 trim 34 334. Okay, so that's it, guys. They have now the same drop here. Forward 4.06, up is 6.95, trim is 2.88 or 89, mean is 5.06, which is the same here. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you like this video, please click the like button, share and subscribe, and please don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a good day.